cover the head, protect it. It's like it's inborn in all of us. So I'm used to it. It's okay. Okay? But just remember that I am a fantastic mom. A plus. So I'm good. You don't need to worry, okay? By God's grace, I'm good. But even when someone has a new child, I'm like, I go into my freak mommy mode. So I understand. Yeah, I understand. So you can give me your advice. Sometimes I read the advice and sometimes it helps. Sometimes the criticism is not coming from a place of love, so I don't like that and I block. But when I see that it's coming from love, I appreciate it and I say thank you. Thank you. I mean, just the little things, like just waking up and putting on a nice dress and some heels and going into your kitchen and making cookies for your child could actually metamorphosize your mood and make you feel better. June is a loving child because her mom is a loving mom. I do not hesitate to tell June how much I love her every day. Some people don't like to tell their kids they love them. I think that you should. I think you should, every opportunity you get, show how much you love. Kiss, cuddle, say I love you, make them what they like, Yes, it's okay for you to correct with love, but it's not okay for you to criticize. So if you correct with love and I can see it's from love, I read it and I take it and I accept it and I become a better mom. And that's why I'm such a good mom, is because of all the corrections with love that I have taken and I've adapted, But when it's not from love, that's how I block you. I know you want to be in touch with your Facebook family. I do. Sometimes you should be very, very patient with content creators because sometimes the only support that they have is their internet family. So don't be quick to judge, okay? Thank you all for the support. Thank you for all the love. Thank you for everything. I really appreciate you. For all of you who have been asking for my shipping address to send me gifts, unfortunately I have to change my shipping address, so I'm working on a new PO box and that's going to take a little bit of time, but till then you can save your gifts until when I put up the new shipping address, because the old one was not mine, so I have to get mine in order to get your. Don't forget the cookies. You see, I love you guys. Thank you for reminding me. The cookies are not ready yet.
Hey, what is that? It's a whirlwind. It's a whirlwind. It's a whirlwind, Tony.
Love you guys.
It's a whirlwind today.
Ugh. This is gross. Ginny, can you go get mommy some water from the water bottle, please?
Okay.
Thank you. See, she started going on errands. I could tell her, hey, can you get me a diaper? Can you get me this? And she goes, where's my water bottle?
Where's my bottle?
You took your grandkids to the park today and got them milkshakes. Oh, wow. That's amazing. Sounds like a wonderful day. I love taking June to the park. I'm a mom of 4 and I know the feeling. You're an amazing mom. Thank you. Mother of 4, you're a superwoman, man. You're a superhero, man. Oh my God. Go, girl. Okay, maybe the baby wants to change position. No, she looks like she's good. She looks like she's good. Thank you. Girl, I just put on some heels to remind myself of, you know, sometimes you just put on the heels in your house to remind yourself of yourself. Ah, queen. You know this. Hey, Belize. I'm going to visit Belize very soon. One day. One day, now one day, in a man go die, you know, go fitty come back. You know, go fitty come back to the Pentagon. You found it! Oh, thank you. I love you. Thank you. We need to wash this water bottle though.
Did you find the bag? The bag is on the way. The water bottle.
I work full time and I babysit my grandbabies full time. Wow. Mama, that's a lot. Go, Mama, warrior queen. You got this, Mama. June is my new the bunny to my Clyde. She goes wherever. Hey, can you get me the diaper? Hey, my queen, how are you? Ew. Let's go check the cookies again. I'll give you like 1 minute and then we'll go check the cookies.
Teddy!
My love, you're gonna love the cookie I'm making you.
Okay, eat it.
You're gonna eat it.
That's yours.
My love, you've not eaten anything of note today. Hmm?
Eat it all.
Even the amala we were supposed to eat together, you didn't eat it. Careful, my love.
Daddy.
Yes, here's to the kitchen, Athena on my chest. This is how you remind yourself who you are. Wow, 50/50 will always be your favorite song. Ah, I'm thankful. Thank you so much.
Mommy.
Hey, Jude. As soon as I get help a little bit, after maybe Athena is like a month or so, I'm gonna head into the studio to give you guys some
Mommy.
hot jams.
Mommy.
I'm gonna say everything in my music.
Mommy. I got it.
You got a cookie? Let's go check on the cookie. Korra, I have 7 kids, ranging in age now from 23 to 13. What? Where are you? Are you in America? You are a warrior princess. Oh my God. Let me go check the cookies. Don't forget the cookies.